लोकांनी आपणाक तांची कामां करपा खातीर तशेंच तांचे विशय विधानसभेन मांडपा खातीर वेंचला. त्या प्रमाण म्हापशा मतदारसंघांतल्यान लोकांची कामां करपा खातीर हांव वावुरतलों अशें म्हापशाचो नवो आमदार जोशुआ डिसोजान आमदार म्हूण सोपूत घेतल्या उपरांत पत्रकारां कडेन उलयतना सांगलें.
It's a big role, it's a big step ahead for me. It is something new for me. I've entered in, started a new journey today officially. I'd like to concentrate on the constituency, concentrate on my voters, the people of Mapsa, and make sure that I can help them and reach out to them as much as possible.
Would you like to see same thing from yourself, like your father used to do in the assembly?
Yeah, I'm hoping. I mean, it's a big, the big shoes to fill in. It is going to take some time, but I'm sure that it's going to be positive.
What is the first priority that you have already set up once you have elected in Mapsa?
The first priority is the Mapsa bus stand, and followed by that will be the Tar River Bridge. I've already met the Chief Minister 2 times already, and conveyed the same to him, and he has been very cooperative and has showed me full support to complete the bus stand as well as the Tar River Bridge.
Do you expect any contribution?
No, I have no expectations as of now. I'd like to give as much of time as possible to the constituency.